Hey, Sean's Boosted Garage here with you again, back with another garage quick tip. Actually, I'm just in the middle of installing the boost controller in my car, and I want to show you how to twist some wire up with your electric drill. I've got to try to pull electrical wire through my firewall. So I'm gonna stick like a fish line or whatever you want to call it through the firewall, and I'm going to tape the wire that I want to pull through the firewall to this fish line that I'm going to make. So hopefully I'll show you here in a minute how I'm going to do it, and hopefully it makes more sense. I'm kind of struggling with the terms, but as soon as I do it, I'm sure it'll make complete sense to you. So this is what I'm talking about. I got this just regular wire, and I want to twist it up so that it's stronger and more stable. Because like I said, I gotta poke it through the firewall. So I'd like to be able to twist this up. Well, twisting this by hand is gonna take a while. So here's what you do. You take the two loose ends and clamp them in a vise. And then you take your drill. Pinch this down some more, and you're just going to just pinching that in the chuck, and you hold it out, pull the trigger, and there you go, just as quick as that. Now I've got this wire that, this fish wire, whatever you want to call it, that the wire that I actually want to pull through the firewall, I can actually tie it in this little loop, maybe put some tape on it, and take this other end, stick it through the firewall, go inside the car, and push and pull it through. So anyways, just a quick tip for you. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment. Talk to you later.